For more than 2 billion years ago, a violent collision of two continents occurred here, and the rocks of this area bear witness to that dramatic event. Today, the white compact-grained dolomite from Sala is an important raw material for the manufacture of paint, filler and building materials. And just a stone's throw from here lies scanspac, one of the most modern filler plants in the world. Production of filler begins with the crushing of the white dolomite. The crushed rock is then processed in various stages and mixed with other high-quality ingredients to give the finished filler. All scanspac's activities relating to raw materials, production processes, packaging and handling by the end user are characterized by concern for quality and the environment. The product is packaged entirely automatically in standard containers such as buckets, sacks or tubes. After packaging, the products are palletized and covered with plastic film for efficient storage or transport directly to the customer. Scanspac guarantees fast and reliable delivery. All Scanspac products have a shelf life of 1 year. The products should be stored in a cool place but protected from frost. Scanspac has been making filler for 40 years and its products are sold both in Sweden and abroad. Exports account for 50% of the company's turnover. At Scanspac's laboratory, raw materials and final products are continually being tested. Scanspac is committed to the constant further development of its existing range as well as to the creation of new products. The laboratory's work is a guarantee for the extremely high and consistent quality of our products. In order to achieve optimal results when filling joints on plasterboard, the edges of the boards should be flush with another and the heads of screws must not protrude. Square edges must be chamfered. Start by filling the joint with Bray Plaster LH. Then apply paper tape or glass fiber strip and cover with filler. This should all be done in a continuous sequence. When the joint has dried, smooth it off lightly using sandpaper or a steel spatula. For the best results, apply a final layer of Bray Plaster LF. Spot screw holes as required. In many instances, spray filling can be employed instead of manual filling when carrying out renovation work and things like that. In such cases, an airless pump is used in combination with a Scanspac filler specially produced for this purpose. For example, Bray Plaster SR. Bray Plaster SR is characterized by its very high adhesiveness, which means that the product can be sprayed onto all usual types of indoor substrate. The surface is sprayed once or twice depending on the substrate. Prior to filling, surfaces must be dry, free from oil, grease and dust. Weak substrates must be reinforced by some type of preparatory treatment. The airless system makes work simpler and more efficient, as well as being preferable from an ergonomic point of view. The material is very easy to smooth out. It provides a good finish, and the amount that needs to be scraped off is negligible. Braeplaster SR is well suited for filling joints on plasterboard, and the technique is the same. Braeplaster LH is used on most indoor surfaces. The product is characterized by its good filling capability and excellent workability. The material is applied using different types of spatulas and trowels. Its consistency and long workable time make it easy to handle. When the filler has dried, the wall is smoothed off by using a steel spatula or an abrasive block. The white product, Braeplaster LF, is particularly suitable for fine surfacing. Water is all that is needed to clean tools and equipment. A well-prepared substrate gives the best final result. It is therefore important to even up the surface and to make sure that it is dry and free from oil and dust. Weak substrates must be given preparatory treatment. Braeplaster LG is a filler with high filling capability that is used for various types of repair work and for filling cracks and holes. Braeplaster S is then used for spraying. The product is supplied in sacks. The practical plastic sack is emptied quickly and easily using a sack mangle. The first treatment is the spraying of the joints. The material is smoothed off and allowed to dry. A light sanding is necessary between treatments. When preparatory treatment is complete, the entire surface is sprayed once or twice using Braeplaster S, which is then smoothed out. The product is applied using a traditional screw pump or with an airless triple piston pump. Braeplaster S is characterized by its extremely good concealing properties, its filling capability, and its outstanding whiteness. Water is all that is needed to clean tools and equipment. Finally, the ceilings are spray textured to give an elegant final finish. Braeplaster wood filler or Braeplaster quick drying filler is used for filling nail holes, miters and things like that on joinery such as frames and doors. These fillers are also well suited to metal surfaces. A suitable tool is a small flexible spatula. An alternative method of applying filler is to use a roller. Various textures can subsequently be created using a roller, scrubbing brush, drag, and things like that. Toned texturing is a product that is suitable for substrates such as ceilings where a pale colored texture is desired. This product is applied using an airless machine. Allow yourself to be inspired by the potential of the room. You can use decorative filling to personalize your surroundings. With the help of stencils or by freehand, you can use paint and filler to create various decorative patterns. Your own imagination is the only limit to the creative use of filler. Scanspac supplies all types of filler, including spray filler, conventional manual filler, lightweight filler, decorative filler, and texturing paint for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. When it comes to choosing products and suppliers, quality, the environment, and overall economy are becoming increasingly important. Our products are of high quality. They are environmentally compatible and they're economical to use. We aim for growth across the whole of Europe with innovative and environmentally friendly products for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. And remember, a good filler is a painter's best friend.